You kids wash your hands. She has bumps on her lips.
They're Soviet-made gas masks. So you don't have to catch corona of the lip off of unclean books that you bought off of unclean people off of the unclean web. So for now, let's see. I'll put him back under the square. Chicken. Hello, boy. Cockatoos are just awesome birds, aren't you? You're an awesome bird? Yes, you are. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, beautiful boy. Come on down. Come on, chicken. Come on. Come on down. That's not your right temperature either. Of course, you are a ways away. And I probably need to recalibrate this. Hello. 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 There you go. We're getting a bit more of a realistic temperature now. Come on, Chicky boy. Chicky boy. Whap! Chicken Holio. Chicken Holio. You get down here and show me your portfolio, Chicken Holio. Chicken Holio. Holy shit. What the fuck? Look at that bird. Oh my god, it's got a string hanging from it. And I'm using direct camera mode. This bird has got about 20 feet of audio cassette that it is towing behind it. And you can't see it. Oh god, look at this idiot. Chicken! When a bird would come back by here that has the tape on it. Where you can, isn't that cool seeing the birds go by in flight? I need to get to the bat colony and do some filming there at night because we'd see all kinds of stuff there. I've got a friend that lives by there and she's got FLIR and she gets some really cool images off of the bats at night. But that looks like that's about all that's around here right now that's useful for looking at. Oh, hang on a second. There's one right up there, and another one just showed up. Remember, I'm only running at 15 hertz here, so... Look at that. Chicken. Tell you what here, I'll put chicken inside of the square. So you can now see chicken inside the square. I may have to invert I'm gonna have to invert my controls here. There we go. There's chicken. The only bird in the world that's had the cops called on it for calling an insane crackhead an insane crackhead. Oh my god. I can't believe how many these guys are around here. Yeah, sweetheart. Well, it looks like that's about it here for tonight. Except we got our little buddy sitting right up there. And put him in the square. Hello, Ciccone. let's go hunting. No, let's go stalking cockatoos with the FLIR. And during the daytime and see if we can see anything here. It's only just slightly higher resolution. It would be absolutely perfect. Well, I can't see anything up there. I see some branches that have been stripped back a little bit. That's all I see there. Let's see if we can find any birds up in the bigger tree. I don't see any birds up there in the bigger tree. Can you see birds up there? I don't see any birds up there. I don't know if we can actually pick up a bird from this distance, but let's see if it can. Okay, chicken's around here somewhere and he's squawking at me. He's up in the tree. There he is.